How to give access on Google Drive. Hi everybody, welcome back. You may follow up these steps in order to do so. So first of all, head over to Drive, open up Drive, and you may locate up the folders. Or if you do not have any folder, you can tap on the plus icon in the bottom left and go ahead and create up a folder or upload any kind of files or pictures or documents or sheets. So once you have uploaded everything, all you gotta do is locate up the file or folder that you would like to give access to. So for example, if I would like to give access to this OCF, so you just need to look out for this three dot beside each of the file, tap on it, and this opens up on your screen. So from the given options, you may locate up the option of manage access and tap on it. Now once tapped on manage access, here it will show the owner, which is you, and other people with access. So right now you can see I have one person already added. So when you head over and tap on them, you will be finding option like what kind of access you would like to give to them. So if you want to give viewer only access, you can tap on viewer and it will update the access. Similarly, if you want any kind of other access like editor, that is someone who can organize, add or edit files, you can select this option and update it. And we have this option of general access, which is restricted. So if you share this link, only people who have the access, when you look out for the share option at the top, add, you can just go ahead and add other people here and notify them and tap on send at the top. And only those people who have been added here, like by provided link, they will be able to access. If you want to change it, click on change, and you can select like anyone with the link option so that anyone can access the folder. So this is the method you can follow up in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.